Ready for a brain-busting math challenge? John is twice as old as Sarah. 5 years ago, John was 3 times Sarah's age. How old are they now? There are 30 apples in a basket. You give 15 to your friend, take away 10 for yourself, and split 5 between 2 more friends. How many apples are left in the basket? Lisa buys 3 coffees for $15. Each coffee costs the same amount. She hands over a $20 bill. How much change does she get? A school bus carries 40 kids. At the first stop, 6 kids get off and 2 get on. At the second stop, 4 kids get off and 1 gets on. How many kids are on the bus now? In a school, 60% of the students are boys. If there are 120 boys, how many students are there in total? A farmer has a rectangular field that is 80 meters long and 60 meters wide. He wants to plant grass in a triangular area that covers half of the field. What is the area of the triangular section? Sarah had 24 apples. She gave 1/3 of them to her friend and then bought 12 more. How many apples does she have now? A train leaves the station traveling at 60 kilometers per hour. After 1.5 hours, it stops for 30 minutes and then continues at 90 kilometers per hour. How far has it traveled when it reaches its next stop? A tank fills with water at a rate of 5 liters per minute. After 12 minutes, 1/4 of the water is drained out. How much water is left in the tank? Emma has 45 marbles. She gives 1/3 of them to her sister and then buys 18 more. How many marbles does Emma have now? A hiker walks at 9 kilometers uphill at 3 kilometers per hour. After resting for 30 minutes, the hiker walks downhill the same distance at 6 kilometers per hour. How long did the entire journey take? A runner completes 3 laps of a 400-meter track at an average speed of 8 meters per second. How long does it take for the runner to complete the 3 laps?